In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check your business turnover in Zoho Books in just a few simple steps. Start by logging into Zoho Books and heading to the Reports module in the left sidebar. From there, go to the Sales section and click on Sales by Customer. This report gives you a clear view of your revenue. Key metrics to look at include sales exclusive of tax, showing your revenue from core operations, and sales with tax, giving the total revenue including taxes. Don't forget the invoice count, which tells you how many invoices were issued in your selected period. You can customize the report to suit your needs. Adjust the date range to view last month, last quarter, or the full fiscal year. Include sales without invoices and sales returns for a more complete picture. If relevant, incorporate manual journal entries to ensure all transactions affecting turnover are accounted for. And that's it. Following these steps will give you a clear and accurate view of your business turnover in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.